Right now, the universe is expanding. Every second, galaxies are moving farther apart. But what if that expansion suddenly stopped? And what if it didn't stop there? What if the universe began to shrink? At first, nothing dramatic would happen. Stars would still shine. Planets would continue orbiting normally. Life on Earth wouldn't notice anything immediately. The sky would look the same. The universe would feel calm. But expansion plays a critical role. It counterbalances gravity. Without expansion, gravity would slowly start to dominate. Over millions of years, galaxies would stop drifting apart. Some would begin moving closer. The universe would no longer be stable. If expansion fully reversed, the shrinking would begin. Galaxies would collide more frequently. Massive stars would explode. Entire solar systems could be disrupted. Space itself would heat up. Radiation levels would increase. The universe would become brighter and more violent. As distances shrink, time would behave differently. Events would appear faster. The universe would feel compressed. Eventually, everything would be pulled toward everything else. This theoretical ending is known as the Big Crunch. In this scenario, all matter, energy, space, and time collapse into an extremely dense state. The entire universe, compressed into something smaller than an atom. What happens next is unknown. Some scientists believe a new universe could be born, another Big Bang, another beginning. Others believe this would be the absolute end. No space, no time, no existence. The universe feels infinite and unstoppable, but its future may depend on a delicate balance between expansion and gravity. And if that balance ever breaks, everything we know could collapse back into nothing.